Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English. At the end of this class, you will learn 10 most important words that denote persons, different kinds of persons. This is very important class for competitive exam point of view and also for other classes to write better English. So let's start. The first word is agnostic. Agnostic means such a person who is uncertain about God's existence, who does not know whether God does exist or not. For example, the owner of the Titanic was an agnostic, but after the ship destroyed, he started seeking God. Many of you may have, perhaps all of you may have seen the film Titanic, the famous film Titanic by James Cameron, Oscar winning film. In the film, we saw that there were some people who did not even imagine or who did not believe in God or any superpower that may force the ship to sink. But it happened, it destroyed, and then they started believing that there is the existence of God. Before that, they were agnostic, they were uncertain about God. The next word is atheist. Atheist means such a person who does not believe in God. The scientist was an atheist before. Next, bigot. Bigot is a word that means a person who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters. That means he may be called an orthodox. Orthodox means also bigot, or he may be called fanatic. Both or three of these words mean the same. For example, if the leader of the religion is bigot or orthodox or fanatic, it's not positive for anyone. Next, altruistic. Altruistic means a person who loves mankind, a lover of mankind, and the synonym is philanthropist. A person who loves mankind. Vidyasagar was an altruistic person. Vidyasagar loved human being. He helped poor people. He helped girls for achieving their education. So Vidyasagar may be called an altruistic person. Next, amateur. Amateur means a person who does a thing for pleasure, not as profession. For example, I am an amateur YouTuber, so I am not taking YouTube as my profession. I love doing it. I love sharing videos on it, so I am amateur YouTuber. Next, ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means a person who can use both hands equally. For example, Bhairas was ambidextrous in using both hands while writing. I have picked this sentence from the film Three Idiots. There was a character that was played by Boman Irani. The character was named Virus, who is seen writing with both hands on board. So ambidextrous means to work easily with both hands. Next, anarchist. Anarchist means a person who is out to destroy all governments, peace and order, law and order. Anarchist. For example, the protesting farmers are called the anarchists, but they are not. The right situation, the present situation that is going on in our country, that the farmers are protesting for long time against the farm bills, actually they are not anarchists, they are forced to be anarchists. Arbitrator means a person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute. That means you may call an arbitrator is equal to a judge. The third umpire worked as an arbitrator in settling the dispute between two teams over the review. Next, ascetic. Look at the example ASCETIC. This spelling is prone to be mistaken. Ascetic means a person who leads an austere life. That means a person who does not involve in much luxury in life. Dr. Kalam spent an ascetic life like his father. In his biography Wings of Fire, we or you may read that his father led an austere life. He did not accept much inessential luxuries and comforts. And the last word for today is bankrupt. Who is unable to pay his debts. Debts means something that you have taken and now you cannot repay. Bankrupt means in a situation, a person or any institution, any organization, it may be bank or any person who cannot return the debts. For example, the closure of factories during lockdown, many people became bankrupt or made people bankrupt. For the closure of the factories during lockdown, many people lost their earning and they became bankrupt. So this is all for the day. Thank you so much. And if you really are benefited, please like, share and subscribe. Your comment, it means a lot, and your subscribe means a lot. It inspires me to go for and to present more videos. Thank you so much.